Let's talk about significant figures in measurements. Significant figures are all digits in a number that show precision. For example, the world population is 7.5 billion people. The number is precise to the first two digits. All the trailing zeros mean that it's approximately 7.5 billion people. If we're recording lab measurements, we want to record the lab measurements precisely so we have the right number of significant figures. Ruler B is precise to 0.1 centimeters because it is marked to 1 centimeters. We always read between the lines. Looking at the nail, we can record the length as 4 point, and then we're going to estimate between the lines, 4.3 centimeters. Now let's say that we have another ruler that's more precise, ruler A. This ruler is marked to tenths of a centimeter, so it is precise to 0.1 centimeters because we read between the lines. The nail's length, in this case, is going to be 4.3, and now we're going to estimate between the lines, and we're going to say 4.37 centimeters. And we set up over here that the length of this nail was 4.3. So as we can see, as we make the readings, we get more precise. Note the last significant figure matches each ruler's precision. Sometimes when you're reading data, you'll have an object that you're measuring that falls exactly on an increment. And you might be tempted to record just 4 in this example, but that would be incorrect because we need to read the scale to the nearest 0.1 centimeter. So we should record the length as 4.0 because we need to read to the nearest tenth. A lot of the equipment we use has digital displays. In the case of digital displays, you want to record all the displayed zeros. So for the stopwatch, we should record 54.45. For the balance, we would record 109.80. Now you might say, well, wait a second, why can't I just record 109.8? Well, the balance is showing you that it reads to the 100th position. If you only record 109.8, you're saying that you only know the weight to 0.1 gram, but you really know it to the 100th gram. To summarize, if we're recording significant figures for labs, you want to read and record between the lines for scaled equipment, such as rulers and graduated cylinders, and record all the numbers on a digital display.